What is iMob? iMob, or No Tag No Start, is a modern immobilisation system authenticated through a driver detection card via your vehicle tracker. Should a thief gain entry to your vehicle, they will be unable to start it, making iMob an efficient and secure theft prevention measure. How can I test if the NTNS system works? Should you wish to test your iMob system is operating correctly, please follow these steps closely. Testing the vehicle should start. 1. Switch off your driver detection card using the green power button on the reverse, looking out for the correct flash pattern as described below the power button. 2. Turn off the vehicle ignition, engine off, and exit the vehicle. 3. Lock the vehicle and leave the car in situ for 90 seconds. 4. Switch on your driver detection card and enter the vehicle. 5. Attempt to start the vehicle. Testing the vehicle shouldn't start. Leaving your driver detection card switched off, enter the vehicle. Attempt to start the vehicle. Tips to ensure a smooth experience. Charging driver detection card. For a smooth experience operating the iMob system, please ensure your driver detection card has charge. The card battery level can be found on GTE track in keycards via the main menu. To charge your card, please attach the charging clip to the gold connections and plug in to power. Driver detection card to tracker connectivity. Should you park your vehicle and have been away from the vehicle for an extended period of time, the driver detection card will become uncoupled from your tracker for security reasons. In this instance, to ensure reliable and efficient authentication, prime the iMob system by switching on the ignition without engine for 5 seconds before attempting to start. Vehicle start support. Should you encounter a situation where you are unable to start your vehicle, please use our technical team as your first point of contact before contacting your local garage. We will run a diagnostic check on the tracking system to ensure iMob is not affecting your vehicle starting, disengaging the iMob system if necessary, allowing your garage to run vehicle diagnostics. Service mode. If your vehicle is due for service, MOT or bodywork, you can enable service mode via GTE track. All alerts, including battery and movement, will be disregarded. The iMob system will disengage, allowing garage technicians to start the vehicle without a driver detection card present. Open GTE track, navigate to the vehicle dashboard after selecting the vehicle in question, and press service mode, turning the wheel to increase the time needed during the visit. All alerts and iMob will re-engage once the allotted time has passed.